In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use custom packaging for CJ Dropshipping. By the end, you'll know exactly how to find the right packaging, customize it with your brand elements, and prepare your files so everything looks polished and professional. First, open your CJ Dropshipping account. Head to the website and log in so you can access your dashboard. Once you're in, look to the left-hand sidebar. You'll see a navigation menu with several icons. Click the icon that opens the branding options, then select Custom Packaging. This is where all the packaging items are organized for you to browse. On the Custom Packaging page, use the filters to narrow down the material you want. You can filter by plastic bags, cartons, plastic boxes, and more. Think about your product type, weight, and the unboxing experience you want to create. For instance, plastic bags are lightweight and cost-effective, while cartons and boxes can offer more protection and a premium feel. For this walkthrough, choose plastic bags to keep things simple. After selecting that category, you'll see multiple options. Click the specific item that best fits your product size and style. Pay attention to the product details, like material thickness, recommended use, and any notes about printing areas or color limitations. Next, select your color. Aim for a color that complements your brand and provides enough contrast for your logo or text to stand out. Then choose the size. Match the dimensions to your typical product to avoid wasted space or a tight squeeze. If you're unsure, measure your packed product and allow a small buffer for comfort and presentation. Now click Customize. You'll see fields where you can add a short description. Use this to explain your branding intent, such as placement preferences or special notes, in clear and concise language. You'll also be prompted to select a type or style option if the item supports it, such as different print areas or finishes. Enter the idea of your customization so the production team understands your vision. Finally, attach your file. For best results, upload a high-resolution logo or design. Vector formats like AI, EPS, or PDF are ideal, and if you're using a raster file, a minimum of 300 dpi helps ensure crisp printing. Keep your design within the safe print area, avoid thin lines that might not reproduce well, and ensure strong color contrast. If the platform supports it, name your file clearly to reflect the version you want used. That's it. You've explored the custom packaging section, filtered by material, chosen a specific item, selected color and size, customized the design details, and attached your branding file. You're now ready to give your orders a professional, cohesive look that customers will remember.